Hey guys, happy Easter. Hey Raphael. Just to start, thank you for the opportunity to share my experience on this course. How do I feel after finishing it? It's amazing. It's really good because it gives you both the perspective of a system that you can make it work with the indicators, but also it gives you like the perspective of reading the history of the price. So, thank you very much, Raphael. Uh, would I recommend this course to my friends and families? Yes, I would. Actually, I've been doing that. I have friends and family that are part of the course already. So shout out to them too. So yes, I would recommend. Why? Because it's very well, I can put it divided like in partitions, like you can understand how each pillar plays a role. So each partition explains you how to use the knowledge of that partition to your overall strategy. And there is an example of a strategy creation. So props for that too. Those are the reasons. My goals for the 5 upcoming years. So first is to get married, have a kid, and the second one is to give back to my family, to my father, to my mother. I think they did a lot for me, and I would like to give them back. And also being able to retire. Actually, um, do I think that this course will help me? Yes, I think it will. It already has. Thanks to this course, I'm able to have a bit more freedom during this crisis time, because I've been part of the course for almost 7 months now. So I was already prepared for this crisis, and it's being very profitable for me. So also thank you, Raphael. What else would I like to say? I would like to invite everyone to be part of it. It's an amazing opportunity to maybe change generations of your families. And for sure, Raphael does the job and he explains very well how things can be done. So that's it. My name is Rui, and bye, guys.